Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix the error message, "This software cannot be used at the same time as the game," which often pops up in games like Battlefield and FC25. This process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, this error is usually caused by a hidden mouse and keyboard driver running in the background, but the game's anti-cheat system mistakenly identifies it as a cheat program. So to fix that, we need to remove that driver using a specific tool from GitHub. Now what you have to do is just simply open your web browser and just simply search for Oblivion Interception. Then open the first option in GitHub. After that, on the right section, you will find a Releases section. Click on the latest version that is available over there. Now wait for a few seconds and then right away download the latest version of the zip file. Then just simply unzip the file onto your desktop, which you can see right over here. And the file should look something like this, as you can see right over here. Now that we have the tool, we need to use the command prompt to tell it to remove the driver that is causing the conflict. Now it looks a little technical, but just follow these steps exactly. Open the folder. Then just simply go inside and click on Command Line Installer. And right over here, all you do is just simply copy the path from the top. Click on this and copy the path. Now open your Start menu and type CMD, and then simply click on Run as Administrator right over here. Now over here in the command prompt, just simply type CD, then a space, and now paste the line that you copied, which is the path, and then hit Enter. Now just simply type DIR, and then hit Enter, and then in the end, simply paste this command right over here, and then hit Enter. You can find this command in the description box below. Once you click on Enter, you should see a confirming message that says that the uninstall was successful. Once you see that, just simply restart your computer, and after the restart, the issue will be fixed. And that's it. Once your computer reboots, the conflicting driver will be gone, and you can launch your game without any error messages blocking you. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.